video classes give us a concept of what is to come in the examination, but we have to practice a lot of OTP questions. OTP is the key to the success. We have to practice a lot of questions. I've completed my graduation from Calcutta University in accounting and finance. Miles has been very helpful. It has been a wonderful experience when I inquired about the CMA course, especially at the introduction part on how quickly I can complete the course, how to enroll in examinations. Everything was handled pretty greatly by Miles. Video classes of Mr. Varun Jain were fantastic. His energy, his experience was something else. I've never experienced something like that in my school or my college days. CMA matlab Miles.